Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 3 of this low-rise condo building. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to mirror the ones that we created for part 1. And when we mirrored it, you were able to start the middle unit. So we're gonna continue working on this, and as you can see, we were able to create the kitchen, dining, and the first bedroom, and the washroom here with washer and dryer on this spot. So now we can actually just copy this, so I'm gonna remove this for now, and this one I'm just gonna delete this, and we could change this one to a bigger size. You know what, we could let's undo that and just keep it with this one, and let's copy the TV and copy this. And obviously, if you're doing your project, you can find or create your own family so that it will suit your design or your plan better. So here I'm just using the default families that we have or that you can insert in Revit so that you can start and practice creating your buildings. So now, as you can see, we need to add a wall here. So I'm just gonna add in a wall for now. And then let's add more wall. And then we're gonna edit it afterwards. Because it's easy to just use the arrow key than to have it precise. Although it's gonna work, but you have more room or more freedom to do this. I'm gonna add this one here, and maybe we could just delete this. So slice this one and then trim. Instead of this, I'm gonna use this. And then let's add in the tub. And then nudge this. Give it more room so that we could add our toilet. And then after that, we could add in this one. Let's add in two. And use this thin line and rectangle. Something like that. Add in your door so that we could pull this down. Something like that. And then add in another door for this entrance. And then we could use this one, sliding door. If this is too small, you can make it bigger, like that. And don't forget this line to add more detail. Looking good? Just double check if we're missing something. So far we're good. And then now let's add in our room tag. So we just need to separate this first. Okay, so now we could click this room. And then click on all caps and double click on this storage, kitchen, washroom, dryer, bedroom 1, living area, dining area, master's bedroom. W.ic. walk-in closet, and then ensuite. So just double check. If you want to move it, just click it and then you can move it to the area that you want to put. So I'm just double checking that I added all the doors that I need. So let's add in a sliding door here. So go to insert, load family, and double sliding door. Select everything and then go to door. Let's add it here on this spot. So let's look at it at 3D. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add in some curtain wall. So here, go to wall and then drop down and then curtain wall. We're gonna add a curtain one right here. So for now, let's add it like that. And you know what? We're gonna flip it so that it's near the exterior wall. We're also going to add it here. And we're gonna add it here as well. Just a small one. So I want to look at it at south elevation. Actually, let's go to 3D and then we need to cut geometry first. So select the wall. So go to modify, cut geometry, select the wall, and then select the curtain wall. So it look like this. Now we just need to determine the height. So let's lower it down. So I think that's good. We need to add some gap. So what you can do is AL, and you will need to select the height that you want and then do it like that. So I want to copy this to this one. So for this height, and then I'm going to pull this out. Go back to level 2. I want to give it some, so that's good enough. So this is good. I like it. So I could mirror this as well. And before that, I could actually add, I'm gonna pull this down as well, AL, and so on there. But instead, I want to copy this height. So this is good enough. So now we could go in, go to south elevation, and before we mirror it, let's add curtain grid. I'm just gonna put it in the middle. And with this one as well. After that, I need to select it. So hold on shift, sorry, hold on control button, and then let's mirror. So the warning is we still have to cut it on site. So we need to do the cut geometry again. So let's do that. Go to 3D, and modify and cut geometry. After that, go to architecture and select mullion, all grid, and let's change this to 50 by 65 and select all of it. If you zoom in, you will see that there's mullions in the curtain wall now. Also, I want to go to south elevation again, and I want to add one more. Actually, from the looks of it, I want to add two actually. So I'm gonna copy this again and 3200. Let's pull this up. So one, two, we have a final or our penthouse here, and we still have level one. And then don't forget to go to view, plan view, floor plan, and then let's add in level 6 and 5. So I have 5 already and then 6 here. So that's good. Now let's go back to level 2. So actually the next video we're going to mirror this and then add floors. So we're gonna stop here for now. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.